Hello everyone, hope you are having a great time, and today in this video we'll show the 5 best finish nailers on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Introducing the NuMax SFR 2190, a powerful pneumatic 21-degree 3.5-inch farming nailer for efficient and effective construction. The NuMax finish nailer is a great option for those looking for a heavy-duty solution. It's a 12-gauge nailer that can handle large nails with a nail length range of 2 to 3.5 inches. The 21-degree angled design and decent build quality makes it a great value for money choice, especially considering its affordable price tag. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the NuMax finish nailer is an excellent choice for your heavy-duty nailing needs. Pros: made for heavy-duty applications, can handle large nails, 21-degree angled design. Cons: holding the nailer overhead for extended periods of time can be tiring. The CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless brad nailer kit is a powerful 18GA tool that delivers precision and ease in every project. The CRAFTSMAN 18-gauge finish nailer is a top-performing power tool that offers convenience and versatility. Its cordless design, powered by 20-volt batteries, makes it easy to use and maneuver. With a maximum nail length of 2 inches, it is suitable for a variety of projects. The added bonus of a belt hook makes it even more convenient to carry around. This finish nailer from CRAFTSMAN is a great option for those looking for a reliable and efficient power tool. Pros: offers convenience and versatility, cordless design, uses 20-volt batteries, easy to use and maneuver. Cons: slow charging time in low temps. The Metabo HPT angled finish nailer is a versatile and powerful pneumatic tool that accepts 15-gauge finish nails from 1.25 inches to 2.5 inches, featuring an integrated air duster. This nailer is a highly reliable finish nailer from the trusted power tool brand Metabo, and it supports a nail length range of 1.25 inch to 2.5 inch and comes with an integrated air duster for easy maintenance. The brand's reputation for producing reliable products makes this finish nailer a great option for those in need of a pneumatic tool for their projects. Overall, the Metabo HPT NT65MA4 is a solid choice for those looking for a finish nailer with a great range of nail lengths and easy maintenance features. Pros: highly reliable finish nailer, supports a nail length range of 1.25 inch to 2.5 inch, comes with an integrated air duster. Cons: no belt clip included, loud compared to other similar-sized nailers. Freeman P4 FRF NCB nailer and stapler kit is a versatile 4-piece set for framing and finishing projects. This Freeman complete kit of power tools is a great option for those looking for finish nailers. The kit includes a 15-gauge finish nailer with a maximum nail length of 2.5 inches, as well as a framing nailer, straight brad nailer, and narrow crown stapler. This variety of tools makes it a handy addition to any carpentry projects. The finish nailer itself is of good quality and performs well. It comes with convenient carrying bag for easy transport. Overall, the Freeman kit offers great value for the price and is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Pros: includes a 15-gauge finish nailer, maximum nail length of 2.5 inches, comes with a convenient carrying bag. Cons: misfires at times, lacks sufficient pressure. The DEWALT 20-volt max finish nailer is a powerful and versatile tool that delivers precision and reliability for all your nailing needs. With 16GA angled capability, this tool is a must-have for any professionals or DIYer. This is a top-performing electric finish nailer that offers a great balance of power and convenience. With 20-volt batteries providing decent battery life, this 20-degree angled finish nailer is perfect for a range of jobs. The gauge rating is 16 and supported nail length of 1 inch to 2.5 inches makes it a versatile option for most users. DEWALT DCN660B is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient electric finish nailer. Pros: it's a top-performing electric finish nailer, comes with 20-volt battery, 20-degree angled finish nailer, supported nail length of 1 inch to 2.5 inches. Cons: complex setup process. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave your thoughts down below in the comment section.